Hi, in this tutorial we will learn how to install a package in Ubuntu. So you can call it a package or a software. So for that you just have to go to terminal and type apt-get install and then the package name. So in this case the package name for us is python 3 hyphen pip, and if you will type that it will ask for the root credentials. So just type sudo exclamatory marks, and then it will show you the list of packages which it is going to install. So it will also install all the dependencies as well, just to ensure that the software will get installed completely. And so just type y so that it can initiate the process of downloading and then further installing of those packages. So these are some of the packages which are to be installed alongside the final package, which is the python 3 hyphen pip. So it will take a while to download all of these packages. So now that the packages are installed, we can just run the application and it will start functioning. So this is how you install packages in Ubuntu.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.